I am very excited that KubeDay is coming to Israel for the first time. It's the biggest event from the CNCF after KubeCon, and if you have been in Amsterdam, that was a great event. The agenda for KubeDay Israel is full with amazing speakers and great talks. In this video, I'm going to share my ultimate guide for KubeDay Israel. Let's start. KubeDay Israel starts with keynotes, and in this keynote you will be able to get a chance to see global community members and also local community members. So the first keynote going to be held by CNCF CTO Chris, which is going to share a lot of the CNCF updates. And if you missed his keynote on KubeCon Amsterdam, it's definitely a keynote that you want to join to. And after that, you are going to get session by May, Bat-El, Arthur and Anton, which are the local community members, and they are going to share their experience about the migration to Kubernetes and the onboarding to Backstage. The keynotes are going to be just awesome. After the keynotes, you got some time to grab a coffee and actually go to the solution showcase with all the sponsors, which are going to give away swag, and you would have the chance to actually put your hands on all the nice stickers, t-shirts, and gifts that sponsors are giving away. After the coffee break, there are the breakout sessions. The breakout sessions are split into two tracks this time, the beginner's track and the advanced track. So for each time slot, you need to pick based on your knowledge, your expertise on this specific project, on the knowledge of the problem space, which talk is more relevant for you. So for example, in the first time slot of the day, we got Peter O'Neill that is going to talk about policies and policies enforcement. It's a great talk, but at the same time, if you want to go more for the advanced side, you can go to the talk of governance in a multi-cluster deployment by Michael from Red Hat. Both of the talks are going to be great. You just need to pick the most useful talk for you. There are many great sessions in KubeDay. These are my top 3 sessions that I'm going to watch too. So the first one is from Adrian and Freddy from NVIDIA, and they are going to talk about a new feature called dynamic resource allocation that can help you to actually schedule and do allocation of GPUs. We see the trend of machine learning and AI, and any company that's using it knows that in order to do it efficiently, you need GPU, and GPU scheduling and resource allocation is a big problem, and there is no better company to talk about that than NVIDIA. The second talk is from Victor and Arsh, which both of them are world-class speakers, and they are going to share how can you utilize Crossplane in order to make staging and production deployment much more streamlined. We all know the problem that you try something on staging and development, but when you move it to production, it kind of breaks. The third talk is from Ron and Natasha from Ilius, and they're going to show you how you can use context propagation in order to make your tracing much better. After the session, you are probably done and really tired, and what you want is to get a cool drink and to rest and talk with people. So after the event, there are going to be some happy hours. Some of them will be posted in the official agenda of the event. Some of them will be off the grid, so stay tuned and find the best happy hour to go to. So, what you should do next? So if you want to go to the event, obviously you want to buy a ticket. You can go to the KubeDay Israel, which I'm going to add the link in this post, and actually buy a ticket. The price of the ticket are going to be rise, depend on the time. So if you're buying now, it's going to be cheaper than buying it later. Obviously, if you're working for a company, you can ask them to buy a ticket for you. It's something that is pretty standard to go this kind of event. Then you want to block your calendar, obviously, to make sure that you have time and nobody is actually putting meeting into the calendar in that specific time. And if you're coming to the event, please text me. I'm going to be there and I'm ready to meet anyone in this event. That's it. That was the ultimate guide for KubeDay Israel. Thank you very much.